Now let's create another poodle, and this poodle is what we call Continental poodle. We need to inflate a balloon like this with approximate allowance at the end would be 5 inch. So now, like we did on the standard poodle, we need to create first 2-inch bubble for the mouth like this. But this time, let's create a let's say 5-inch loop like this. 4 or 5 inch. So we have 4 or 5 inch here. This is our loop. Now put this mouth through this loop. This loop that we created. Put it through, all the way through like this, and pull the nostril here and pinch just a little bit. So this is our Continental poodle. See? Now, the difference of our Continental poodle is when it comes to legs, we need to create, of course, 2-inch bubble here. Don't forget the neck, 1 inch, of course. And now 2-inch bubble here, and 1 inch here, 1 inch bubble, and another 1 inch bubble, and 2-inch bubble here, just like this. Now 2-inch here and 2-inch here for the last leg, and another 1 inch here and another 1 inch here. And this is the difference of our Continental poodle. And of course, for the last leg, another 2-inch here. The difference, like I said, it has 2 floppy feet like this. See? Now, like the usual, create another poodle tail here. And this is our Continental poodle.